Hi, it's Jan from VelomobileWorld.com, and today's video, it's really quiet now because the guys are in break time, so I have a couple of minutes to film. Some are starting already. Spring is coming, that's a good news for cycling. I really like cycling more in the spring than in the winter. I did cycle the whole winter with my Velomobile, but spring I like more. And the other good news is we will go again to CycleCon. So 20 to 22 September we will be at Xenia. And this year we bring again 4 Velomobiles. Plus 20. Because shipping containers are relatively cheap, so we can offer you a really great deal. We can offer shipping this time for 500 euros per bike. And that will cover all the costs. The good thing is, if you buy now your Velomobile, you don't have to deal with payments overseas. You don't need to do the import. You have a way lower shipping fee. So that's already 3 things that is really much better than order it yourself. And you can get more information at sales.usa@velomobileworld.com. And yeah, looking forward. See you. Bye bye.